Which statement is true regarding the calculation of the mean? In a skewed dataset, why might the median be preferred over the mean? What does a standard deviation of 0 indicate about a dataset? When analyzing exam scores for a class, why might the mean score be misleading? How is the mean absolute deviation related to the mean of a dataset? What practical application could reinforce the understanding of standard deviation? Which scenario demonstrates a situation where median is used to avoid the effect of outliers? What is a reason to choose the median as a measure of central tendency in real estate pricing? How might standard deviation be used in the field of meteorology? Which activity would help students understand the application of mean absolute deviation, MAD?